Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Tarrant County in north-central Texas until 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:48 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Haslett or near Keller, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, sidings, and trees. Locations impacted include Fort Worth, Arlington, Irving, Grand Prairie, Mansfield, Euless, Bedford, Grapevine, Halton City, Keller, Coppell, Hearst, Burleson, Southlake, Watauga, Colleyville, Crowley, Forest Hill, Richland Hills, and Kennedale. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35 going between mile markers 38 and 53. Interstate 20 between mile markers 434 and 453. Interstate 30 between mile markers 14 and 31. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time for north-central Texas. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.